Wind gusts around 40 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. This storm aimed over mainly rural areas of northwestern Bacon County. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is a special weather statement. Strong thunderstorms will impact southeastern Irwin County through 7:30 p.m.